A warm welcome everyone to the online platform of Next Overseas channel, and today we will discuss about our cue card number 11. Describe an online video in which you learned something. First of all, we will start our cue card from the general line. Okay, so we will start. In this contemporary world, contemporary का मतलब होता है modern world जी. कंटेम्प्रेरी वर्ल्ड भी यूज कर सकते हैं या फिर आप कह सकते हैं इन दिस कंटेम्प्रेरी एरा सोशल मीडिया is a best source of information and entertainment. Best source of information plus entertainment जो तो दोनों वर्ड्स को आप इकट्ठा करके एक वर्ड बनाने हैं that is called infotainment. Infotainment. Infotainment का मतलब होता है information plus entertainment. Okay, दोनों चीज़ा provide करवाता social media. Okay, here I would like to shed some light on a time when I watched an online video and learned something new. Okay, shed some light रजी होता है कि highlight करना किसी चीज. Shed some light. Okay, then अपने क्यू कार्ड का नेम आ चुका. Okay, so now we will see our cues की cues जो उन्होंने की पूछा है. So first of all, when and where you watched it. Okay, so we will start. I watched an online video. प्लेटफॉर्म कोई भी सोशल प्लेटफॉर्म हो सकता है. ओके, आप लिखेंगे यूट्यूब. ओके, ऑन यूट्यूब. इट वाज अ culinary video. culinary video ਹੁੰਦੀ ਆ related to cooking. Okay, so what it was ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਉਹ ਕੀ ਸੀ ਆਪਾਂ ਦੱਸ ਹੀ ਚੁੱਕੇ ਹਾਂ. Okay, it was a culinary video. culinary ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਜੋ word, ठीक है, अगर आप related to cooking कुछ भी सीखते हैं that is called culinary. I watched a video of cake recipe in which I learned how to bake a cake at home. It was very interesting video. Our third question is why you watched it. Okay, ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੱਸਣਾ ਹੈ ਕਿ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਇਹਨੂੰ ਕਿਉਂ ਦੇਖਿਆ ਸੀ. Okay, so ਆਪਾਂ ਇੱਥੇ ਲਿਖ ਸਕਦੇ ਹਾਂ during my winter या फिर summer vacation. Okay, कुछ भी ਤੁਸੀਂ लिख सकते हो. winter vacation it was an occasion of my parents' 20th anniversary. So I want to surprise them. That's why I watched this video. Okay, so our last question is explain what you have learned from it. तो ये तो की सीखिया. Okay, so आप अपने क्यू कार्ड चित्र अगर इन्हें एक्सटेंड करना है उसे बारे दसांगे. Okay, firstly I noted down all the steps and then I started preparing for that. Firstly, I found it a tedious task. Tedious task का मतलब होता है राजा difficult task, okay? Because I never tried baking products, okay? In the form of cake ਆਪਾਂ हमेशा bake ही use करेंगे, okay? But I bake a cake. It was a cake बारे ਆਪਾਂ ਗੱਲ ਕਰ ਲਾਂਗੇ ਕਿ ਉਹ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਦਾ ਕੇਕ ਸੀ, okay? It was a dome shaped cake. Dome shaped cake ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ कि like अंडाकार shape ਦਾ, okay? And I hid rings in that cake to surprise my parents. At the evening, I surprised my parents and they were shocking use कर सकते हो जे तुसी या फिर bolt from the blue भी use कर सकते हो. Bolt from the blue is an idiom used for a shocking, okay? या कोई unexpected thing होती है. Bolt from the blue as they didn't expect that. They appreciated my efforts and they felt on the cloud nine after watching rings. ओके सो इस तरह जी आप अपने क्यू कार्ड नो एक्सटेंड कर सकते हैं पूछा एंड एक्सप्लेन व्हाट यू हैव लर्न फ्रॉम इट. ओके हम पहले लिख सकते हैं आई हैव लर्नड a cake recipe which was very easy and well explained by the chef. Okay, so इससे नाल ही अपना जो क्यू कार्ड है रजी एंड हो गया. नाउ वी विल मूव टू द फॉलो अप क्वेश्चन. Our first question is what are the advantage of online learning? Okay, as we know online learning the advantage first of all flexibility. Flexibility मतलब students can learn whenever and wherever they want. Okay, second thing की है cheaper. Okay, अपने कोल ज्यादा ਇਹਦੀ cost नहीं होती कि आप कह सकते हैं as in this contemporary era everything is available on the YouTube या फिर every type of content is available on the YouTube or other social platforms and we can find the solution of our problems by just putting our problems in Google or in YouTube okay second thing आप ऐसे कह सकते हैं less time consuming okay less time consuming so these are the advantages of online learning and our second question is why are so many young people obsessed with short videos ਦੀ ਗੱਲ ਕੀਤੀ ਹੋਈ ਹੈ ਰਾਜੇ okay short videos ਦੀ positive ਚੀਜ਼ ਕੀ ਹੈ first of all less time consuming okay time ਘੱਟ consume ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ and second advantage is we can watch it anywhere for example if we are waiting in a line or we are traveling we can easily watch online video या फिर we can easily watch short videos okay and the third thing is to the point logic okay कि शॉर्ट वीडियोस जो टू द पॉइंट ही गल गई होंदी है सो इसलिए अपना किया टाइम कट कंज्यूम होता है एंड वी कैन इजीली get the solution of our problem in a seconds so our third question is are there many people who watched videos online a lot of course yes आप इसका आंसर कर सकते हैं of course yes today era is today's era is a digital era and people watch online videos a lot there is an example of people who watched online videos a lot there are million and billion views on the short videos or on the online videos that is the proof that most of the people watch videos online a lot okay so ਇਹਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਹੀ ਆਪਣਾ ਜੋ ਰਜੀ क्यू कार्ड है सारा एंड हो गया अपने फॉलोअप्स क्वेश्चन भी डन हो गए okay so thank you so much